Well, hi guys. As promised in my last video, this video I'm gonna pull back the curtain and expose my bear system, so to speak, for everyone to see. If you did see my last video, you know that I was a little discouraged. I had actually looked at the numbers in detail and did some of that deeper analysis. And I'm not getting the results that I was really expecting. So I was really thinking about almost throwing in the towel. But nope, I've decided not to do that. I've decided that, hey, you know what? Let's just do the opposite. Let's throw it all out there and let's see what other people think. And maybe as a collective, we'll find a way to salvage this sucker. So what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing my indicators and their settings this time so that we can see if anything looks like it's worth saving. And as always, I really appreciate your input and your comments. And I have to say, I was blown away by the words of encouragement and the nice thoughts that you guys gave me on the last video. So thank you very much for that. Okay, so without further ado, let's pull back the curtain on this so-called system. So here are the pieces of my algorithm. First and foremost, we start off with the ATR of 14, as VP prophesizes. He says that's the best way to do it, and that's what I'm doing. My baseline, I am using the CQ baseline, and my settings for that is linear weighted moving average of 20, and that's based on the close. My main confirmation indicator, or C1, is absolute strength histogram, and my settings for that are 0, 6, 4, 4, 0. That seems to make it move a little faster and smooth it out a lot. It's not as jumpy or erratic. And C2, second confirmation, is super trend, but my settings for that are a little different. It's 10 and then it is 2.3 instead of the 3. Volume indicator is way. My sensitivity is 150, but I have my dead zone set to 2500. So that's a pretty deep dead zone with the explosion value of 15. And the latest, greatest exit indicator, these are ones that I've been working through a couple of options, is the BBPRC range. And I just use that on the default settings. The one that I was using previous to this was the RVI, or Relative Vigor Index, and I had that on a setting of 8. But I've since taken that off and I'm just using the BBPRC right now. So there you have it. What are we going to do with this problem child? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So in the meantime, happy trading, and thanks again for all of your engagement and messages. It's wonderful to feel like we have this community. Take care.